There is a white powder sitting quietly in millions of homes right now. Some people swear by it, some people are terrified of it, and most people have absolutely no idea what it actually is. Today, that changes. Like, subscribe, share, turn on notifications, because what you are about to learn might just save you hundreds of dollars every single year. Imagine you are standing in a grocery store. You walk past the cleaning aisle and you spot this small, unassuming green box. No flashy branding, no celebrity endorsement, just 5 simple letters. Borax. You pick it up. You think, what even is this? And why does it cost less than a cup of tea, yet people online say it can replace 10 different products in your home? That question, that tiny moment of curiosity, is exactly why we are here today. 15 clever ways to use borax around your home. So now that you know what it is, let us talk about why millions of people around the world quietly consider this little box their best-kept secret. Number 1. A laundry booster. Add just half a cup of borax directly into your washing machine along with your regular detergent. It softens hard water, boosts cleaning power, and leaves your clothes brighter and fresher without any harsh bleach. Your whites will thank you. Number 2. An all-purpose surface cleaner. Mix 2 tablespoons of borax with 2 cups of warm water in a spray bottle. Use it on countertops, sinks, and kitchen surfaces. Clean, effective, and you made it yourself for almost nothing. Number 3. A toilet bowl cleaner. Sprinkle half a cup of borax inside the toilet bowl before you go to bed. Let it sit overnight. In the morning, give it a quick scrub and flush. The stains and odors? Gone. Like they were never there. Number 4. A natural ant killer. Here is where it gets almost poetic. Mix borax with sugar and a little water into a paste. Place it near ant trails. The ants, attracted by the sugar, carry the borax back to their entire colony. Nature is humbling sometimes. Number 5. A carpet stain remover. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of borax in 1 cup of warm water. Apply it to the stain. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then blot and rinse. Stubborn stains that resisted every other product? Gone. Number 6. A mold and mildew destroyer. Make a thick paste of borax and water. Scrub it onto bathroom tiles, grout, and corners where mold loves to hide. Rinse off. Borax doesn't just remove mold, it inhibits its regrowth. That is the real power move. Number 7. A dish soap booster. Add just 1 teaspoon of borax to your regular dishwater. It cuts through grease in a way that will genuinely surprise you. Your dishes come out cleaner with less scrubbing effort. Number 8. A drain cleaner. Pour half a cup of borax down a slow drain, followed by 2 cups of boiling water. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then flush with hot water. No harsh chemicals. No fumes. Just results. Number 9. A weed killer. Dissolve 10 tablespoons of borax in 4 liters of water and spray it on weeds growing between pavement cracks or along driveways. Your garden will look immaculate. Number 10. A garbage bin deodorizer. Coat the inside of your trash can with a borax solution, let it sit, then rinse. That awful smell that greets you every time you open the bin? It doesn't stand a chance. Number 11. A rust stain remover. Make a thick paste using borax and lemon juice. Apply it to rust stains on porcelain or metal. Scrub gently, rinse, and watch those stubborn orange stains lift away like magic. Number 12. For flower preservation. Mix borax with cornmeal in a sealed container and bury your fresh flowers in it. After 2 weeks, you have perfectly preserved, dried blooms that look like they were just picked. Number 15. A refrigerator deodorizer. Place a small open bowl of borax inside your fridge. It neutralizes odors quietly and naturally. No baking soda drama required. Borax will not change your life overnight, but it might just change how you think about the products you buy, the chemicals you use, and the small, smart choices that quietly add up to a better, cleaner, more intentional home. If this video opened your eyes, give it a like. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Subscribe to The Big Sweep and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video like this. Share it with someone who loves smart, practical knowledge. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. See you in the next one.